Shiba Inu moves fast. One green candle can make your week. One bad entry can end it. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to trade SHIB on Margex properly. No fluff, just the steps. Hey, quick note, markets like this are not easy, and a lot of traders struggle here, so we've added a small bonus for our YouTube viewers only. You'll find the promo code in the description. Open Margex and go to the trade page. Click the trading pair selector and search SHIB. Pick your pair. Before you do anything else, look at the chart. 3 quick questions before any SHIB trade. Is price trending, ranging, or pulling back? Where's the nearest support and resistance? Did it just print a huge candle? Then wait. A simple rule for meme coins: never chase. Wait for a retest after a breakout. Entries are cleaner there. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. In the order module on the left, pick your collateral, the coin you're trading from. Pick your order type. Market for instant entry. Limit to set your price. Stop market for breakouts. Set your leverage. Higher leverage means faster gains and faster liquidation. Use the margin slider if you want Margex to auto-calculate the size from your balance. Then click buy to go long or sell to short. This is the part most beginners skip and pay for. Go to open positions and click the take profit stop loss field on your trade. You can protect the entire position or just a partial chunk. Useful for taking profit in steps. Set your trigger price, confirm. One thing worth knowing, on Margex, take profit fires as a limit order, stop loss fires as a market order. So your stop loss will execute even in fast moves. Now your trade is live. Watch your P&L, but don't manage it candle by candle. Trust your plan. That's the whole flow. Find SHIB, read the chart, set the trade, protect it. Trade is set up.